In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build Intercom Chatbot. To begin, open your Intercom workspace and look at the left navigation panel. Find and click Fin AI Agent. This is where you manage automation powered by Fin, including the workflows that guide conversations from the moment a customer reaches out. Once you are inside Fin AI Agent, move down to the bottom menu and select Workflows. Workflows are basically the set of rules and messages that determine how your chatbot responds. Keeping everything in a workflow also makes it easier to update later, since you can adjust one flow without changing other parts of your setup. Now click plus New Workflow. This starts the process of building a new automated experience. When prompted, select Create from Scratch. Starting from scratch is useful because it gives you full control over what happens and in what order, instead of modifying a template that may include steps you do not need. Next, you will choose a trigger. Select Customer, starts a new conversation. This trigger is important because it tells Intercom to run your workflow as soon as a customer opens a fresh chat. In practice, this is what lets your chatbot greet or guide people right at the start, before a human teammate needs to step in. After the trigger is set, click plus, Add Step. From the step options, select Ask a Question, or choose the option that applies when the customer sends their first message. This is the point where your workflow begins interacting with the customer. Use it to gather the key detail you need, like what they are trying to accomplish, what issue they have, or which category their request belongs to. Then type your question, or use the option to let Fin answer, and click Save. Keep your wording clear and specific, so customers know exactly what to provide. A short question with a clear goal helps reduce back and forth and improves the quality of the response you receive. Finally, click Set It Live. This publishes your workflow so it can start handling new conversations right away. After it is live, monitor early chats to confirm the flow starts correctly and that the question appears at the right time. That covers everything you need to know.